You see, I told you before, people are wicked. Huh? Just look at this man. You know, he appeared so nice. I felt maybe if I help him, something will come out. You know, he just approached me and said, my car is bad. You know what I feel? If I fix the car, you will give me money. Do you know that I fixed this man's car? See, this man just zoomed up.
I told you, let's go. I told you, let's go, but you didn't listen to me. I said, let's go. This man, he said, I want to help you, I said, never! And I will not help him. Now you see?
Eda, no fair. You do not hear. Follow your mother's advice, Ejo. If you come never, money is the most important thing in my life. If you had collected money from that man before fixing the car, and your man never you know that, right?
I know, Mama, but he sounded nice, you know. Oh, he sounded nice. I mean, I feel that maybe if I fix the car now, he will give me good money. Mama, my henceforth, this your format is what I will follow.
That is it.
Anybody who stops me and say fix my car, person will give me cash more than not transfer. Even mommy water will give me my money.
Yes.
Maybe, yeah.
Look at you. If I had collected that money, if I can offense Salah with Azondo. Okay? And that's what we would have eaten today.
You see why anything that money will not come out, I don't involve myself. If it's not about money, count me out.
No.
Mama, I'm still looking for people I can get money from. Mama, don't say this thing now. You start making me not to feel like going to go rob bank.
Go and steal.
I will start.
Go and steal. Mama,
I will start robbing bank.
Go and rob.
You are pushing me.
You're on your own. Nonsense.
I have one.
Then
we move.
You people.
Robbery. You will see.
This granite. If I have a lunch,
Mama,
he make a gentleman. Osondo, he make a gentleman. Gentleman doesn't lead you anywhere.
God they give money when it reach your turn, he go give you your own. If it's in ego, no worship money. Why your cage you fed your kuni jenu?
Hi, hold on. Oh, thank God. Sorry, my car just broke down. I need help, please.
you need help.
Yes.
Do I look like a mechanic? I'm a farmer. I don't know what you're talking about. If your car broke down, fix it.
Come on. Why are you being so mean to a lady? Besides, I'm not from this village. I came here to seek information for my thesis. And then, quite unfortunate, this happened to me. Just help me.
Well, quite unfortunate you met the wrong person. Alright? No, that was exactly what I'm. Look at your voice now because you need help. Small. The same thing one man did to me yesterday. I helped him, and after helping me, what did he do? He zoomed off. He moved. He didn't even give me a dime. Now, if you want me to fix your car, tell me how much you give to me. I'll look at it. If I can fix it, I'll fix it. Else, I move.
Seriously? Is that how you behave? Well, it's okay. If that is the problem, money is not the problem. I will give you money. Just help me. If you can help me start the car, I'll give you money.
It's not I'll give you money. No. If you will give, tell me how much you give me, and I don't take transfer. Cash.
Okay, fine. If you help me start the car, I'll give you 10K. Is that okay?
10K, 10,000. Give me 10,000.
Yes.
I want 10K. Go and start the car. Let me hear the sound.
It's not even starting.
Am I not battery?
I've got money here. It's not my problem. When you're done, I'll give you money.
Gosh. Let me see if I can fix it.
You better start the car. Not after making so much mouth. You won't.
If you say that thing again, happy motor.
No. Come on, I was just joking. Just help me. Thank you.
Mama, count it very well. It's 20,000 naira. We move! Mama, 20,000 naira.
20,000
naira.
Brother, 20,000 naira.
20,000 naira. Mama, you know the last time you took your time, you gave me the format.
Yes.
You said before I touch anybody's car, Natagodu cash, no transfer.
Upfront.
Upfront. Mama, I met this girl. Beautiful girl, she was looking very rich. But you know me now, they look best in face. Yes, now, the moment she said, my car, you know, can you bring her speaking through her nose? No. What did I do? I said, we fix your car, and you go 10,000 upfront. Upfront. Mama, as I finished, I was expecting 10,000 naira. Mom 20.
Hey! Chineke knife go. If you find now, but because by the way, did you collect her phone number? Because this kind of girl, Bonya, you need to be moving on with. You got her?
Mama, did you think I will take your words for granted? Everything you told me that day, Mama, we move. Mama, I collected her number. In fact, she's at one hotel. Mama, guess what? The hotel belongs to her father.
I say,
I'm telling you the truth.
Chelo, do you know what that means? And we keep my manager of the hotel. Brother, you have to be very careful, though. Are you sure that girl is not a mermaid? Nah, waggy now.
Mama, sometimes I don't know what is wrong with Ijoma. Why are you so connected to poverty?
I don't know.
Just the only time that God has decided to answer my prayer. You're talking about Mami Water.
Oh, no.
If like, let it be Mami Water, let it be Mami, let it be Papa Mami, everything. We move. Baby, meet my beautiful mother and my sister. My brother went out.
Okay.
Meet my family.
Good. Welcome.
Okay.
You look beautiful.
Thank you so much. Greetings, Mama.
Good name. Beautiful girl.
Mama.
You're fully loaded.
652,000 watts.
But then you have eyes though.
Thank you, Mama.
Nem, you're welcome. Ijoma, go and get her a seat. Butoche.
You have eyes.
Ijoma, butoche. Una see, he has eyes. Of course, he has eyes. Hey, you're welcome. Butoche. No, you.
For you?
Anything. Don't worry. It will not hook onto you, baby.
Mama, let me get rag for
Don't worry, the
her.
rag will dirty
Mama,
her.
let me get a rag.
I don't need anything to dirty this outfit. Are we fitting your cause?
My mom, she's so nice.
People say so. No.
Mama, why are you looking at me like that?
No, just wondering if it's real.
Mama. Real, follow come.
Have you been there?
My family are so nice, especially my mother.
Yes.
She's so nice.
Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome. No.
Baby, please, just give me 1 minute. Let me discuss something with my mother.
It's fine.
Mama, I look. We move. Mama,
Oh, you seem to like me.
You're the real.
follow come, mommy.
Follow come. You bless.
This one is funny.
I like this. Chai! I like what you're doing.
You like?
Is that a car?
That's her car, oh mama. If you see her father's cars, if you see the kind of cars that are coming to visit us and going out, hey!
If I jackpot.
I
like what? I like this. You got that? I like the way you call her baby.
And I like the way she calls me sweetie. Or like a smoothie. Sweetie. Smoothie.
Brother, you have to take it easy. See, finish, no the good. I don't understand the both of you. Get out of here.
Go.
Just get out and mind your business.
Enemy of progress.
Nah, we need to buy food for her.
Yes,
or prepare
yes,
food
of
for
course.
her to eat. It's the money for the food.
Hey, well. Mama, I just remember that the last money I had, I used it to pay debt. You know, Mazi of has been disturbing me, so I just just settle. I just... What's it?
So how do we collect money from her to prepare the food for her?
Hey.
Mama, you want to collect money from someone that just came to the house today to give her food? This girl. You don't have shame, oh. From the one's respect.
But Mama, I think she has a point. You know, this is her first time of coming. I won't Don't worry, I know how to get money from her.
You do?
When I talk, you just balance me out. Eh? So what do we do now?
We move.
Let's go. Hey! What kind of a mother is this? Like mother, like son. We move. Hey, sorry about that.
Yes.
We just
Two aside.
yes. What would you like to eat?
Oh, no, I'm fine. I already had something.
No, sweetheart. You cannot be fine. This is the first time you're coming to my house. First time you're meeting my mother. If you don't eat, it will look somehow.
Oh my God.
I know, sweetie, but I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. Have you... you like abacha?
Yes.
Ah, if you taste my mother's abacha.
If you eat my abacha, you will know why my son is this handsome.
Mama, you're so hilarious. It's fine. Okay, I don't...
Abacha. Hey!
Mama, abacha, here we go. We move.
Yeah.
Mama, can you see me?
I have run out of abacha.
Hey!
No, I need to go and buy abacha. Hey! I sent my other stupid son to the bank to get me money. Now I can't even afford to buy the abacha.
Okay, but is it about cash?
Don't mention the abacha.
Okay, Mama, it's no problem. I have some cash here.
We have money in the bank. It's just that our brothers not.
Mama, I think this will be okay.
Hey!
I'll just get this.
For the abacha. If I can manage it, well, I will manage it. I will manage it to buy abacha. Oh my God, abacha. You can't worry with the Oboroko. Let me go and prepare for the market. Now sit with her on this side. Yeah.
Mama? Mama?
Edna.
You move?
I move.
You move.
I love your mother. I like her.
Ah, my mother. My mother is a very nice... Mama? My mother is a very nice woman, you know. My mother knows how to prepare abacha.
You know one thing? I've come to like you more.
Serious?
Like your family, I like you. You know, you're just too nice to me. And you know what? I'm going to help you get your life back. That's how much I like you.
You will help me get my life back.
Exactly. But before then, I want to know, is there anywhere I can get palm wine with bushmeat?
Palm wine and bushmeat. Everywhere. Again.
I want some.
You want some?
I want you to go with me.
To eat palm wine and bushmeat? My mother will see also. We will not do such opportunity family. We won't. Abba.
I am glad you're seeing it from my own point of view. Where can you since?
What is your son waiting for? He should be fast and do the needful.
Oh,
we have to go and do this thing.
Yeah, we need to.
Mama.
Look of the angel.
You're here.
I'm here talking to your mother about your woman.
Mama, you told him already.
She did not tell me. I heard how your woman was buying. She was buying drinks for people. And then let me come.
But that's not a good one. You need to do something pretty fast before someone else in this village will take over your work.
Ah, Mama, that's not possible. Ejimia. Ejimia. Format number 3. Hold her down.
Now, baby, where is she now?
She's in the hotel chilling. So, more future mommy, 1 or 2. Format number 4. Format number 4.
Yes.
Chilling.
Now, before you go for the chilling, that is chilling in there. When you take it, you lose your baby.
Okay, fool. You know
besides, you get maybe if
marry her, and I say easy, but to marry a wealthy girl, I think it's that easy.
Forget this thing where they talk. Forget this thing. If they tell you something, you marry this girl, they now for you now you talk like this. See, you go just stay here, they sleep, and that person go just come carry this girl from you. Baba, so make I tell you, you see how this girl be? Everybody go and get the opportunity to hold this babe. You can't get them. You can't they want book. Man, they hungry, eyes they choke. Man, hold this girl.
What are you talking about? You think it's that easy? You think you just wake up in the morning, you see a wealthy girl and you just marry? You think it's that easy? It's not easy, especially when you don't have money.
See, bros, may I tell you something? Make I tell you this one. You know me say you know get something, you know go feel married that girl. That girl who? That girl na person when you go. As that girl did it like this now, if you hold am, if you marry am, that girl fit package you. That girl go package you well. Everywhere go soft. And apart from that one self, they get papa hoe. He load. That can't get where be say people they also to get. Then I get papa will be say if you marry and finish, you go package your life. See, now I tell you one thing, if you dey fuck up person like me, I not even try and marry girl will be say papa no oh shishi. Man, when they find girl will be say their papa who will be say at the middle they go package them. I not go marry those kind of girls say but you there at the door, you don't get at the door. Bros, use your mind. Use your mind, use your head. Make everywhere soft.
I think there is a point in what you just said. Come to think of it, the girl really likes me.
Do you know the one that beats my imaginations? My mother already sees this girl as a daughter-in-law.
You see her now?
Also, before uncle, what do you expect? What do you expect from the woman now? See, make I tell you, if I'm my own mama, the woman go down run. She go down run, go there women meeting, go even borrow money. And I should borrow this money so for don't pay for the girl diary. And now how we pay for the girl diary? See, make I tell you, the truth is, you see this girl, you need to hold on tight. Hold on tight now. No, they do. You know, fine boy you be now.
I think there's sense in what you guys are saying. Since we became friends, this is the first time you both are making sense. Well, you know what, guys? We move. We move. Wealthy girl, we move.
Awesome. And then
we move.
Listen to me, Nate, your sole advisor. You need to play your cards well. When you meet this girl, you bring her down. You got even mean?
Down.
That way, she'll be thinking of you every day, wanting you and feeling you. Then after that, that means you.
Mama, this one is too much now. Which one is making her feel like I only move. Is it not too much?
Nah, don't mind her. When you get there, make sure you come back with something tangible. All right?
Of course, Mama.
Good.
Something tangible. Mama, I am going there with your 3 formats.
Good.
Format number 1, we move. Format number 2, bring her down. And then format number 3. Mama, the only problem now is Anuka. I don't know where he went to. He said he wants to go and meet OC to collect transport money. There can nature since.
I think you should go and wait for him by the market place soon. Yes, keep wait be fair.
But brother, you need to look good though. You need to look good because you know all these rich men, they must look at you first now before everything.
Is it your business? You want to look good or not? Have you been able to catch even a poor man? Eh? Okay, see a kapana robber. Nonsense. Na kwa nuka wako ona abia.
Atugo mta.
Itugo?
Hey. We move. 10,000 na Once he said, once you come back, once you come back, you bring his money, I give you.
Ilwe is your see, na soon I'm gonna dash you.
Mama, it's like I will join you.
Butonia. Now go on your own, let him go on his own. Ebo bad luck.
We will get this thing well. If the girl might have younger sister, my brother will impregnate the senior one, I will impregnate the junior one. So that it will be in-laws to the minister.
Both of you can't be in the same family because if I'm going for you, I'm going to go for you.
But it's not, I will handle it well.
Nah,
trust me. The man has 2 hotels, Abi. Let me be managing one.
Go and look for another senator from another local government because organize.
Mama, I won't do it though. I must go to that city with him. Never! I must go to that city.
Okay, Foge, your bad vibe. Why can't you be able to find yourself a man? Eh? Iman okay.
I mean, okay.
Use what God has given you to get yourself a man. Now that if you want to need you manage this activity, what do you need to put you in place? You wear the carbon.
Am I at the right place? Am I in the right place?
Hi. How you doing? I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. I was with my father's board members in their estate office. Sit down. It's fine.
I was confused a bit. I thought I was at the wrong place.
No, this is my father's hotel. You are the right place.
Wow, this is your father's hotel?
One of his hotels, actually.
Yes, another one.
So many investment. My father is big. Anyway, that's by the way. Have you had something to eat? Have you? Okay, fine. Same here, I haven't. So I'll just take you to the restaurant after eating. Okay, before... You can't meet my father like this. We'll have to get something for you to wear, something nice. Okay?
Okay,
let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, inside. Let's go. Don't worry yourself. My father will soon be here.
Of course. But I'm scared.
Why? I'm here with you.
I heard your father is strict.
Yes, he is, but not when it comes to me. So relax. Okay?
I'm relaxed.
Daddy! The best daddy in the whole world.
My hand,
I love you so much. Okay, Daddy. This is the young man I have always told you about. Osandu. Osandu, meet my lovely daddy, the best daddy in the world.
Good afternoon, sir. Good day. Boy, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. My angel.
Daddy.
What a good looking young one.
Daddy, he's not just handsome. He's also a very nice person. That's the truth.
You're welcome to my place.
Thank you very much, sir.
I am sure you've heard of Senator Chief Moses Awanga.
Of course, sir. I heard about you, sir. Who doesn't know you? I'm honored to be in your presence, sir.
You are welcome once again.
Thank you very much, sir.
Stella is my only daughter. And whenever I see any man around her, I feel like shooting the person's leg. But you are very lucky. You are the only man that is coming to my house through my daughter Stella. And that is why I am honoring your presence.
Thank you, Daddy.
What plans do you have for my daughter?
Chief, I mean well for your daughter. I love her. I wish to spend the rest of my life with her.
You better do. I am brutal when it comes to someone playing with my daughter. Are you aware that her brothers are soldiers?
Soldiers?
Well, I don't have to emphasize much on that. They would kill you before the message gets to me. Are we good?
Good, sir.
Okay. Where is this girl? Chica! Chica!
You don't just look good. You're cute.
Right?
You're looking fantabulous.
One of my cars. In fact, Mama, I drive all the senator's cars.
One of
I have all the keys.
That makes you a senator.
Okay?
Onye na anya moto senator for senator.
Senator, Mama.
Chai, Namo. Chai. So, how is Stella?
Stella is fine.
Did she send something for me?
Of course. The moment I was leaving, she said, this one is specifically for Mama. Na boots. Boots.
Okay.
Mama, that reminds me. The moment the senator saw me,
yes.
She said, oh, you look handsome.
I have a handsome
I said, you look handsome. As a matter of fact, Mama, he was acting like he wanted me to marry the girl today.
Wow. I'm sure you're going to marry the girl.
Of course.
Hi,
Mama. Of course.
We have arrived.
So
that
we move.
Mama. Don't be holding me too tight. No one may. Come find your home. Wow. We move. Okay. Mama. Rice have you enough. Let me have.
Chief. Yes, Chief. You and your son are welcome to my house.
Thank you, Chief.
Not that my daughter is looking for a man to marry her. But I'm so happy because she has found someone she calls her true love. Osondu,
Sir.
No one has ever come to my house to declare his intention to marry my daughter. You are the first. Not that they don't want to come, but because my daughter is so expensive. And secondly, they don't have the boldness to walk into my house. I, Senator Chief Moses Awanga, they cannot come because they know who I am. I am known all over the country. Like I said, he is very lucky. You know where you've entered. And it's obvious you will enjoy the marriage. As long as this marriage is concerned, you will not lack anything. I don't care what you do, and I will not ask you. But I am sure you will enjoy the marriage.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, sir.
You see, I have the best dad in the world.
I know.
Yeah. Thank you so much for everything. Mommy, I'm really excited. Thank you.
Wow. I don't care about whatever you people come with. All I care is that you have declared your intention to marry my daughter. And I hereby approve and say let it be so.
Amen. Chief. Thank you very much. Awesome. Hi. This is good.
Okay, let's marry it.
Ma, the fish has finished.
When I told you I wanted fish, what did you tell me?
Ma, I told you there were fish, but before I could get there, the last one had been sold.
My goodness.
I'm sorry, Ma.
I told you that I wanted to eat fish. You told me that there was still fish. So you went ahead to serve some idiots and left me. Now you have come back to tell me that it's been sold out? What impudence. Are you stupid? Are you out of your stupid mind? Get your filthy hands off me! Are you mad? What is going on in this hotel? Get your filthy hands off me! What? Manager!
Yes, ma.
Manager!
Ma'am, okay.
You do not touch me. Yes, I called you. Who is this thing right here?
She's working here.
She works here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Henceforth, I do not want her to work in my father's hotel anymore. I want her relieved of her duties. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you do not carry it out as I've directed, you will also lose your job. Thank you. What do you mean it hasn't gotten to that?
You want to get a job? Please, temper justice.
Stop! What is wrong with you? Please get out of my sight.
Ma, please, I beg of you. Forgive her. Please.
I don't understand it. I gave you a direct order and you are here pleading on her behalf? What gods? Are you stupid? I am calling my father right away. You are also leaving this hotel. You're done working here.
Ma, please.
It has gotten to that.
Please, madam. Madam, please.
Get out of my sight!
Sorry, ma, I beg of you. Sorry.
Get out of my sight! You fucking get out! You're stupid when I'm talking to you. You're standing before me to talk nonsense. Get out! What is really going on in my father's hotel? Everyone has lost it.
You have to do what?
Including you. When someone was talking to me in a bad way, when you stand here to plead on her behalf, take me home now. When I mean now, I want you outside. Rubbish.
You place yourself above, parading majestically, looking down on your man. Ooh.
Okay, sorry. Don't be angry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Request for wealth, see where I have landed. No freedom to exercise my manly powers. Treated like a fool, controlled like
I think the food you have now. Another slap that this girl gave you.
She slapped me.
So what? It's a small slap. Come
Slap.
on. Is the slap bigger than all the things she has done for you?
Mama, she slapped me.
Kenny Mesia?
Mama, is slap not enough for someone to say that he's not marrying again?
No, it is not enough.
It's not enough.
Yes, even the
Brother, let
Bible
me tell you
said,
something.
and when he left, he returned that right. Carry
Audio,
on
but
that.
let me tell you something. Don't go back to that marriage. It's not by force. My brother is not marrying
It's
that
by
girl again.
force.
What is it?
It's by force.
Mama, what is
Because
the
of
I
meaning?
am
You're
holding
forcing
you're
yourself
going
to
back
go
to your marriage.
Mama, what's the meaning of
Brother,
this?
you're not going
Is
back.
that you're going back.
You're not
Oh,
going
give one,
back.
Nano.
One can anu.
Oh, give one, Nano.
Muna ina anu.
What kind of a mother is this?
Can you be far?
Chineke,
And why follow me?
Mama, we move.
I didn't do anything wrong. Officer, I did not do anything. I'm just
coming with us now. Chief wants to see you.
Chief Senator. Hey, take him along. Take him.
Take who along?
Take him along.
How?
Go.
Mama.
Yes.
We move.
No, you move with the police.
Mama.
Sir.
Mama, we move.
Put him in between both of you. Beautiful. Police. You have my blessing. Move, police.
Why are you telling police to where?
Asando.
Where are you people taking? Mama, stop this thing you're doing, please.
Jama, be brave. Asando, be brave. Marry your wife like
Mama,
a man.
stop this.
They
arrest your son and you're here dancing. What is it?
Ha! Asando, hey.
Mama, what you're doing is not good, though. What you're doing is not good. I'm telling you now.
Hey!
What kind of a mother are you?
Let me be sure, because the sound of that motor.
Let me even go there and know why they are moving.
Onyala, you're going to chase policeman. They won't even marry you. They will not. Police will not marry you. Ajonwa. Boyfriend in wero, girlfriend in wero, doing wero.
You want to die? You want to die? How dare you want to abandon our town run away? Are you mad?
No, sir. No, of course I would not want to abandon.
Shut up your mouth.
Sir,
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. You don't talk while I'm talking. Else I will ask this man behind you to rough handle you.
Sorry, sir. It's just that she tried to humiliate me.
Will you shut up? Who humiliated you?
Chief, please don't do this to him. Stella. Stella, you shouldn't have done that.
I did nothing to him, mother. Please just let me be. Huh?
Abigail, if you don't want to be here, leave us and go inside. Go inside. This young man came to my house and declared his intention to marry my daughter. Now you want to run away. If you want to joke with me.
Me? How can I leave your kids?
Are you
joke with me?
No, I wouldn't dare.
You wanted to run away.
Run from
Stop
you?
lying.
Who? How will I run from you?
Who what?
Who? I can't run.
Now listen. Right now and here, I want you to fix a date for your wedding.
Daddy, we already fixed it. 26th August, and it stands. It stands.
It stands.
Yes.
26th August. It stands. 26th August.
That's okay. That is all I want for now.
Yes.
That is all I want for now.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I can't do.
Because I slapped you.
No, now it wasn't. You pampered me. You didn't slap me. She
You wanted to run.
Me run.
You know, you haven't even seen anything yet.
I wouldn't dare.
In fact, raise your hands. Hands up. It's not even hands. Take your hands up. Stella. I said, take one more, please. Stella. Take your hands up. You wanted to leave me.
Leave you?
After everything.
No.
No.
Shut up your mouth.
The punishment is not yet over. Just take your hands up. Stay like that. Stop me. Mommy, leave me alone.
Mama, this is not good though. This is not good. Is marriage now by fire by force?
No. Listen well. Your brother must face his responsibilities. Why would your brother run away from his responsibilities? Eh?
Mama, they are not married yet. He has the right to do whatever he wants to do. They are not yet married. Allow him, please.
Kenkema. No, what do you know? You're just a child. Eh? You've never been involved in any relationship. Okay, let me ask you this question. What if you meet a man, get married, and he suddenly says he doesn't want to have anything to do with you after taking care of your company, the upper chamber and the lower chamber, and he leaves you over a common misunderstanding? How would you feel?
Mama?
Yes?
Did you just call it common misunderstanding?
Uh-huh.
Hi, God. Why did you give me such a mother? Huh?
A good mother, you.
A selfish mother.
A good mother. What is it? Okay, let me ask you two. Was I there the day you met her, Anomia? Was I there the day she gave you the 20,000 naira? Mba. When she changed your life with money? After taking care of her company, physical company, you now want to leave her? One can wake up and face your responsibilities. Check out all the things you did to that girl. Okay, first of all, you moved in. Then you brought her down. and scattered everywhere. And now she can't do without you. You're saying you don't want her anymore. Oh man, walk. Ah!
Brother, let me tell you something. Don't mind this thing that Mama is saying, You have to stand on your right. You are a man, you know what you want. Don't allow that man intimidate you. Don't. I'm with you on this one.
Stand on your right. If wrong with your right. Stand on which right? Anybody or anything that will stop Stella. Stay from becoming my daughter-in-law. So, face up to your responsibilities and be a man. Nonsense. Stay, baby. Stay, baby. Hey, I'm not so you want it. I'm not you. Hey, stay, when you're the wrong mama, I give you my support.
That's it actually. But it's fine. Everything is moving on perfectly. You're right. I like that.
Hey, babe.
Hello.
Hi, babe.
Hi, yeah, baby.
Okay, girls, let me officially introduce my man to you girls. This is my man, Osondu. Ose. These are my friends, Blessing and Gold.
Hello, Blessing. Hello, Gold.
You're welcome. You're such a cute guy.
Of course, I can't go for anything less.
You can say that again. Thank you. Babe, it's getting late. I think we should start going.
Meaning? Huh?
Meaning that it's getting late. It's about that time we left.
Meaning, I'm asking you, when did that one start? I'm talking with my friends and you're telling me to leave what I am doing to go with you. How?
Come on, baby. You don't have to do this in public. I'm saying that it's late. We should go.
It is late. How? You have lost respect for me.
I can't lose respect. Come on, your friends are looking at me.
Then, if you just go to the car and wait for me. When I'm done with my friends, we'll go.
So what?
Are you deaf? I said go to the car, wait for me. When I'm done with my friends, we'll go. Go. I said go. Yeah. Go. So we're saying something. Does he live with you? He lives with me.
Seriously, Stella, that was too harsh. I mean, it's not fair. Why will you talk to him in such a manner?
I don't understand. What business of yours is it? He is my man and not yours. So why are you intruding? Please.
I'm sorry. But the truth still remains that it's not fair.
Wait, is this supposed to be a topic for this gathering? It's quite obvious I'm no longer needed here. So it's high time I left. You can go ahead and enjoy.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to upset you.
Just sorry for yourself.
You place yourself above, parading majestically, looking down on your man. Ooh, you showed respect and dignity, full of pride and mean. Make a change because life is full of pages. Arrogance in all the pain. It will simply destroy you.
I would want us to talk.
Go ahead.
It's been 6 months now we got married. I don't do any other thing other than house chores and run errands for you. I need to get a job so that I can be a man of my own.
I don't understand. I don't understand you, Osondu. You want to do what? What do you need a job for? I'm asking you, what do you need a job for? I provide everything you need. My father gives us money often. If you want another car, I will willingly buy it. Whatever it is you want, tell me. I will make it available.
My point exactly. Your father cannot continue to give me. I cannot continue to depend on you or your father. I need to get a job so that I can be a man of my own, take care of my family, take care of your own family.
We are not complaining. My family is well to do. We did not ask you for anything. You understand? So don't worry yourself. Don't use us as any excuse. What do you mean? I mean, what's all this now? Eh?
My brother and sister are in the village. They are graduates. They don't have a job. They depend on me, and I have nothing to do for them other than the one I get for you. I need to get a job so that I can sustain my family. That's what I'm asking.
What business of mine is it if they have graduated and they need a job? On manual. I don't understand all this. So, were they not the people that told you not to marry me? Were they not? Or you think I don't know? Listen, the only person I care about right now is your mother. Your sister, if she wants to work, she can come here and work as a house help. I will pay her. That is the only help I can render. Don't tell me you married me to elevate your family.
And you say things like that? How do you say I married you to elevate? I married you out of love. I just need a job. Come on, I cannot continue staying at home and then watch you take care of me. I
don't want to talk about this. What nonsense. You not do the right things you're supposed to do. You never come and massage my back. First come and massage my back. That's what I said. And be fast about it. My back aches, especially this part.
But I need you to understand that.
Massage my back, your son do. Be fast about it though. What kind of a man are you? I said massage my back, you're going to my waistline. Get again at your hukum. Eh? Oh yeah. Press it harder. Yeah. What is wrong with you? You can never be subtle. Eh? The one romantic for once. Press it, because. Press it.
The quest for wealth, see where I have landed. No freedom to exercise my manly powers. Treated like a fool.
I'm asking you, what is the meaning of this? Oh, you now come to bed before me. You wanted to sleep without your wife. I don't understand. I'm asking you a question and you're not saying anything. Eh? Okay, now get up from there. Get up from. Are you deaf? I said get up from there. You mad? Something wrong with you. I'm talking to you. You're there looking at me like that. I'm talking to you and you just look at me while I'm talking to you. Look into my eyes. What kind of rubbish is that? Yeah, big Anankun. You now have the nerve to look at me when I'm talking to you without saying a word. So what wrong? You know what? You're going to stand here and watch me sleep. Rubbish. Nonsense. Look at you. You cannot do anything again. You cannot even perform your husbandly duties. When was the last time you went to my Ivedia? You can't even remember because you don't know how to do anything. As a man, I want to be pastor. You look up on hey, turn. Look at me while I'm talking to you. Then I know all I allow that point. Nonsense. You're going to stand there and watch me sleep. Cover me. I said cover me. Cover me with the duvet. Perform your manly duties. Are you not my husband? Eh? All your duties you cannot perform. In nature. Nature go nonsense. Cover me. Rubbish. It's okay. Let's go there. Stand there. Ogaton, look at me while I sleep. That is your punishment tonight. For you to come to the bed to sleep. You want to sleep without me. Oh. You're going to stand there and watch me sleep. No problem. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Take I'm so free, you were
Anika.
Hey, Lucy, is this you?
Yes. How are you doing? Meet my friend.
Who is this?
Rose. My rich friend, the one I told you about. Meet Anika.
The city one, the rich one.
Rose, meet Anika. The guy that helped me. Yes. My upcoming boo-boo.
Oh. Anika, how are you?
I'm fine.
I told you, she's real.
Ah, you told me, you know, you told me I did not even believe you. But now I can confirm. Driving big car. This is rich people talking. It's good to talk to rich people. Oh. Can you imagine? Hey, you are welcome. Let me shake your soft hand. Hey, woman hair.
You're so funny.
Here.
It's very funny.
Yes, so I'm happy to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Go and get seat.
Okay.
Go. Get seat. Hey, Nne, how are you?
I'm fine.
You are fine, I can see. I don't need anybody to tell me again. Come. Let me, gently.
It's okay.
Gently, you know. You children of rich people, we don't need to suffer like us. We are used to it. Hey, let me examine it well.
You will see more of him.
You don't need to tell me again. What are we not talking? Huh? Get on, what is it?
You will kill me here today.
If you don't leave this land, I will kill you, all of you. Egodi, I will beat you and your children. Oh, leave me alone. Leave this land, Egodi.
I will not leave this land. I paid for it. Until the money I paid expires, I am not going anywhere.
I will beat you and your children. Oh, I will beat the whole of you. Egodi, leave me alone. Egodi, leave me alone. So you don't know who I am. You have not heard about me, Egodi.
No, is this not all that you are? Listen, you will know the daughter of whom my daughter is married to.
Oh, Egodi, you think I am a friend of that your useless boy you sold to that daughter of a rich man?
So what are you doing with my mother?
What
are you doing to my mother?
Mama,
what is it?
It's driving us out of the land.
Ijoma, be careful with me, Ijoma.
Ichi,
Odoro.
do you know who you're holding? Can you leave my money alone? Leave my money alone.
Hey.
Don't mind. If you talk to my mother again, you don't know who I am, Abi.
You push me down, Ijoma.
And I will push you again if you try it. Are you mad? You don't know how dead this woman is.
Look at you.
Egodi.
Oh, fool. Let me warn you. You don't want me to send the cops after you. Look at him. They put a private jet to land. Man to go and work.
Egodi, you will know soon that I have daughters like you.
Daughters in that. I will send police from my daughter-in-law.
It's okay. No problem. You will hear from us.
You will hear from us.
Somebody
will pay you and you'll come and send out of the farm. There's something expiring.
Your daughters. Bring them. Let me beat the hell out of two of them. Mama, please don't mind me. Where is your farm?
This stupid man,
the mother is not around. I think she went to the farm. Yes. See, these people, they are very, very nice. Nice people. You need to see how they've been taking care of me. Can't you see? Can't you see how I'm looking?
I see.
Yes.
That guy. He's very, very funny.
You can say that again. He's a very funny guy. He makes me laugh. Hey, you need to see more of him. Just calm down.
Sorry, Rosie, my baby. Sorry. Hey, sorry, this is what they have. Manage it.
Anuka, I told you not to worry. I'm fine.
I have to worry you. It's not in our nature that our visitor will come. We will not give that person anything. No, not even cola. We must do something. Huh? It's in our nature to be good people.
Anuka, you didn't get for me.
Go ahead, get away, you. Are you still a visitor here? This is your house. You're not like a visitor. You're like a part of the family.
So is that why you did not buy my own? Eh? My sweet boo-boo.
Who is your sweetie? Stop this thing. Stop this, your joke.
Who is joking?
I see both of you are beginning to play your love thing.
See, Nne, let me open your mineral for you.
What do you?
He's a very fun.
Don't mind. You know your friend more than I do. She likes joking. But I don't like it. I'm serious. I don't like it. We have not started anything and we will not even start.
Oh, come on, stop.
I don't like this. We are having serious discussion. You want to spoil it.
It's very funny.
No. Don't do that with me. Don't play that kind of play with me. I'm serious. Take your mineral. I can even feed you. Yeah?
No, it's okay.
Let me feed you. Naturally, I'm a good person. Yeah. I like giving beautiful women and rich women like you. Give them mineral to drink by themselves. Lucy, allow me and your friend to talk. You can't even allow us to get to know each other. You won't allow us to get to know each other. You are now intruding. Go to the kitchen because the kitchen can help. Go to the kitchen for me.
Okay, I'm coming back.
Go to the kitchen for me.
Just
go.
I'm a cat.
She can play.
Why are you so funny?
No, your friend is funny. She can play. Don't mind her. There's no animal, place or thing that will come here. Now to disturb us. Drink your mineral.
Man, let's hold you up. So that when Papa comes, go and beg. Papa, why are you holding your waist?
Today, I will know if I have daughters like you. And your brother.
Papa, why are you looking like someone that's been chased by a bulldog? What is it? Talk to us.
I swear God, on my land. I went to ask her to leave the land, The daughter Ijoma came from nowhere and pushed me down.
What? Papa, you mean that gorilla Ijoma with her flying boat nose did this to you?
She pushed me down. She fought me. She called me names. She even called me a fool.
She called you a fool? Okay, we are going there. We are going there, Papa.
Hold on. You're going where?
We are going there. There.
Anthony Joshua, John Cena, you want to go and fight? Can you imagine? Instead of you to ask what is the foundation of the fight, you want to go and fight.
Does it matter?
Papa, question go to you. Papa, do you lay your hands on that woman? Because the Ijoma I know cannot just beat you just like that. Something must have brought the fight.
You idiot. You idiot. My mother has sent thunder from Sokoto to hit your head. So this is how you are going to fight for your father? This is how you are going to fight for your family? You idiot.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Do you know you don't have sense? You are very, very stupid. Instead of you to follow us and go and fight, you're here talking rubbish. Today, Ijoma will know that I am not her mate.
I will slap you beside the office.
Come on, slap her. Big for nothing. Slap her.
You idiot. Hello, you idiot.
Papa, I know what I'm saying though. Osondu married Senator's daughter.
Shut up.
Because the time police will come here. I come out of here. Don't call me.
Papa, do you have canvas? I need a shoe. I want to wear. Look at you, big for nothing. So, if you touch me, Papa, give me canvas if you have.
Wakasa. Thank you. How are you?
Awesome. Where are you coming from?
I was coming then.
Coming where?
I had a flat tire, I was fixing it. The mom called me.
You are a blatant liar.
I'm not lying. Come and look at it. It's the
Shut your mouth right now. Shut that mouth of yours and get inside.
Baby, I won't lie to you. My mother called me. I think she has issues. I need to get to the village.
Hey, Osondu. Osondu, you think I'm a fool? You want to run away from me?
From you? No, I'm stuck here.
Do you think you can run away from your shadow?
Never. I'm with you, baby. I love you. Why would I want to run away? It's just that I changed the car. As at that time, my mother called me.
Now shut your mouth and go right inside. Right now.
Baby, my mother called me.
I swear with my life, Osondu, if I get inside before you, you will sleep in the police cell.
Baby, it hasn't got
Oh
into
my God.
Baby.
Osondu, if I get into this house before you, I swear you will sleep in the police cell.